Hi guys, Sahar here. I'm the founder and CEO of Less Brands, and today I'm here to talk to you about our exciting new Irish Sea Moss gel, the Anti-Gel Gel. Now, here's why we call it an anti-gel gel. First of all, I've always been an anti-gel girl. I don't like gel, I don't use gel, I don't feel I need gel, and I guess part of it is, gels make your hair crunchy and sticky and leaves this residue on your hair, and I've just never liked that. I wanted to create a product line that was all about simplicity, that left hair feeling like hair, that was movable and touchable and soft and beautiful, and at the end of the day would make your hair healthy. Now, most gels in the market use an ingredient that's essentially hair glue. It gives your hair a definition, yes, but in the long run, it could be damaging your hair. So I tasked my R&D team to create an innovative gel that gives you the same definition, hold, frizz control without the use of these harmful ingredients. We incorporated Irish sea moss and an oil blend, this beautiful complex that involves acai, passion fruit, and rice bran oil that actually helps resurface the hair cuticle, hydrate the hair, provide moisture, while giving you that extra definition and hold and shine on the days that you need a little bit more. So here you go, the Irish sea moss gel, what I truly believe is innovation in hair gel, a gel that's actually good for your hair, the Anti-Gel Gel.